So let's dive into the basic form of assembly instruction in RISC-V architecture. An assembly instruction consists of the three important components that include mnemonic, operand, and destination register. So here is the component. The first part is mnemonic. The mnemonic describes what kind of instruction is, and another information is the destination register. Here RD is denoted as, this kind of information is called destination register. The result of this operation can be stored in this register. RS1 and RS2, and these are the register. First one is called source register, and the second one is called second source register. In general CPU architecture, this one can be called first operand, and this one is also called second operand. The source registers can be used as input for this assembly instruction. The result of this instruction could be saved onto the destination register. This is the basic form of assembly instruction in RISC-V architecture. Here is another basic format. The key difference between two instructions is that as for this syntax and format, the second operand is immediate constant rather than that source register. If you refer to the assembly routine in RISC-V architecture, you're going to see those kind of instruction. Those kind of instruction is recognized as the I-type assembly instruction because the second operand is immediate constant. As for this instruction, this basic format, the second operand is a register. So we call this kind of assembly instruction as the R-type assembly instruction. So here is the example of the I-type assembly instruction. Please take a look at the example assembly instruction. Add I, srdi, c.add. Those example instructions share the one simple and signature information, that is, this instruction end with the I character. Because second operand is immediate value, just like 0x20 minus 0x3 and 0x6 and 0x1, because all these, the second operand is immediate value. Let's take a look at another basic form of instruction, that is R-type assembly instruction. First, source register is A1 as for this assembly instruction, and as for this one, A2 register is used as the second source register. This rule can be applied to another example instruction because second operands are register, A5 register and T2 register, S2 register. So we call this kind of assembly instruction as R-type assembly instruction. The most of the assembly instruction when you are analyzing assembly block can be many cases between the I-type assembly instruction or R-type assembly instruction. So you had better get used to those kind of convention.